Hey everyone, David Cook with the Franco Painting and Wallpaper, and one of the kitchens we are working on is our own in our new house. So one of the things we did painting cabinets, we can't really afford new cabinets. We found some on Facebook that are reconditioned. They took out of a model home, so we have them out in the garage, but we can't afford to put them in right now because we've had other expenses. But one of the things we're doing is just repurposing what we have. So the handles, we're not thrilled about them, but we repainted them. So there was another video you can see where we cleaned these off, got all the grease and nastiness off of there. Repainted them, got them on. The screws will have to paint black. And then the hinges, Daphne just thought just paint them white, which I didn't really know how it was gonna look, but after we got everything up, it actually looks kind of cool. So that was one of the things we did to save some money, and part of it, there's no way I'm gonna spend the money on brand new hinges for these things because their time is coming to an end. We'll probably, maybe 2 years is probably the goal, because that wall has plumbing in it that's gotta come out, and then the electric has to be redone, and part of the plumbing on the floor has to be redone. So our plan is that wall's out, that wall's out, that wall's blocked, part of it, and so all this will be completely open versus how it's kind of chopped up now. That's kind of what we're looking for, but I just want to give you a kind of update. You know, if you have older hardware, you can still use it, just repaint it, new color, give it a brand new life. There's a lot of metallic paints we can use. We use the Rustoleum, the hammered metal, because it already is hammered metal, so we just kind of gave it a little bit more pop to it. Everything works on here, so there was no reason to replace them. We just repainted, gave it a brand new look, and then we're just getting Formica tops at Menards. It's cheap, easy, it goes in. I just got to put spacers on it to raise it back up. And the brick stuff, same thing, we're just going to leave it for now and go from there. But there you go. Have any questions on how we can help you with your cabinets, on giving your kitchen a lift, how it can look with paint, painted hardware, new hardware, however. Let us know how we can help you with your kitchen cabinets and help you love the space you're in. You guys have a great day and God bless.